Hello guys, welcome back. In the today's session, we are going to discuss a brief introduction about the static methods. So, unlike the regular classes, how we are going to create a static methods in an interfaces also, we can create a static methods. Usually, a quick question will rise in our mind: what is the significance of creating a static methods? Usually, the general utilities we are going to define in an interface in a static methods. Then, how we are going to call these static methods? So, how it's going to work? What exactly the way you can call these static methods? So what I'm doing right now means let me create a new interface here, inter 7, and here let me add a void login. This is an abstract method. Default void logout. This is a default method. And now finally I'm creating a static method too. So here, what exactly the way how you can create a static method? So how we usually create a method, so the same way I'm creating a static method. So system.out.println static create methods. Fine. If you remember these default methods, the thumb rule out over there is whatever the default methods we have created, these default methods were applicable for the implemented classes. That's the reason there is a possibility of overriding of a default methods. Whereas moving on to a static methods, the point that we need to consider is these static methods were not available for the implemented classes. Let me show you a class directly and in which we can see this with an example. Orange 9, okay, orange 10. So here what I'm going to do right now means this class is going to implements the interface 7 that we have created. Okay, and definitely of course we need to add the logic for the unimplemented methods that I have already created. And now what I'm going to do right now here, let me try to access the methods. Usually if a class is an implements a class, orange 10 space obj is equal to new orange 10 obj dot the method that I have, which is a static method out over there, is a create a method. I'm trying to access out over here. It is showing that the method create is undefined. Okay, that's fine. I am unable to access using this object. I can access the static information using a class name. Class name dot, even still I am unable to access this information. So with which I can conclude that, okay, with which I can conclude that whatever the interface static methods are there, you can't use those methods directly inside the implementation classes. So as these methods were not directly available for the implementation classes, there is no possibility of overriding with respect to the static methods. Then how can I access these static methods directly? Interface name dot a method name, I can access that information dot a static method name, I can access that information. Get. If you go back to the documentation, basically, how can you call the interface static methods means you can't create any object to access the information, and moreover, you can't override that information. The only way how you can call that information is interface name dot a static method name. Perfect. Immediately, a quick question will rise in our mind. We are defining a static method inside an interface. Can I define a main method inside an interface? If so, can I run an interface directly? Yes, of course, we can do that. So let me go back to the interface that we have created. This is a 7, and let me type a main method. So I just added a main method, main method inside an interface. See here, I'm just creating a main method inside an interface. And now let me try to run this particular class. See here, the main method inside the interface. Till 1.7, we don't have this feature, but in 1.8, we do have an option to create a main method inside a particular interface, and we can run that particular one too. Cool. That's all I have about this static method. See you again in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.